A very, very happy birthday, Chiku. May God give you very healthy and long life with full of happiness, and hope that every time we will be able to see each other again. Take care and have the best and make the best and keep enjoying your life. Thank you.
Hi Chiku.
Hi, Chiku.
Happy birthday.
From me also.
Many, many happy returns of the day.
Same from me.
I want to share a beautiful memory with you. Remember in 1964 when we were in Hong Kong, there was a Talentine contest, and you were only 8 years old and you wanted to join also. And so we taught you the song Forget Him by Bobby Rydell, and you learnt it very well. And with confidence, you sang solo in the City Hall in Hong Kong in front of the judges and the huge audience. And you sang very well. And we were also proud of you. And after that, Papaji made us sing in the Now Bharat Club. And then at that time, Rathi uncle was in charge, and he wrote a very nice letter thanking us. And he said that everyone was full of praise for us. And you have a good voice, so you continue singing. And a very happy birthday once again.
And you are a good dancer also.
Yeah, learn to dance also. And
you can sing some duet song with Rano.
yeah. And love you. God bless you.
Both of us give you blessings. Have a nice day.
And
Happy birthday.
and lots of love from both of us.
Yeah.
Love you.
Always.
Bye.
Hi Chiku. The first time I saw you was in a photograph when you and Ranu had just got engaged. I think the photograph was in Qutub Minar and Daddy had sent it to me. And I thought to myself, my God, how young he looks, how small he is. Both you and Ranu look so young. After that, I saw you at the wedding. And then you joked about the surma in your eyes. And I thought to myself, oh my, he really has a good sense of humor. Over the years, we've got to know you better. You're a lovely human being, very kind, compassionate, generous, with a tremendous sense of humor. You really keep us entertained with all your jokes. And you're so much fun to have around. I also remember very fondly memories of you and Daddy G. When you used to come to Delhi and share his bedroom, every morning you would get up and wait for him to come out of his bath and then walk him to the breakfast table. Mummy was extremely fond of you. She thought you were so sweet, so simple, so sincere, so kind. I miss the beer sessions we had together every morning, every afternoon. And I hope in the near future we meet again and have a lovely time together. Our drinking sessions, which raised literally spirits and raised our spirits. On your very special day, Chiku, your 65th birthday, a landmark in your life, I wish you a very happy birthday, and I hope all your dreams come true. You have miles and miles and miles to go, and may you achieve all that you desire. May only the very best come your way. And I have to say that you are the best brother-in-law ever. A very, very happy birthday to you, dearest Chiku.
Hello, Chiku Mama. Wishing you a very happy and blessed 65th birthday. From being a kid to becoming an adult, whenever Rinki and I used to visit Hong Kong, we used to look forward to seeing you because you were the one who used to take us for various outings and used to buy for us a lot of sweets and gifts which we used to love. We could feel the love and care always upon us whenever we were in Hong Kong. and thank you for that. In 1984, when I had visited Hong Kong alone, I spent a lot of time with all of you, especially yourself and Rano Mami. We used to go to the IRC, and I remember getting my first lessons in badminton from you in IRC, and we used to go a lot of times there and play with you and your friends, and that's where I acquired a lot of skills. Upon returning back to India, I remember I became a very good player, and I played in quite a lot of tournaments and won some of them within my university. From being my Mamaji to becoming my company colleague, I remember the various discussions we used to have, and I used to enjoy talking to you. We used to have common topics. We became friends, and I used to love that. You are a very humble, caring, and amazing human being with lot of great qualities of Nanaji. And we feel blessed to have you in our family. I would like to specially thank Kyra for arranging these moments, and you truly deserve these moments. Thanks a lot, and I would like to wish you again a very happy birthday. Manu and Daman would join me in wishing you happy birthday together.
Happy birthday!
Chiku Mama, take care. God bless you. We love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, my sporty younger brother, my constant shopping companion, always smiling, and how we love the same things, pakoras and beer, anytime. Have a great day.
Hi Chiku, you're such a darling, you have a heart of gold, and you have people in splits of laughter around you all the time. We love you. Happy birthday, have a lovely, lovely day. God bless.
Very happy birthday, dearest Chiku. We wish you good health and every happiness always. As you reach your milestone of 65 years, we hope that you will continue to retain your boyish charm, your generosity, and your tremendous sense of humor, which seems to get better each year. Cheers. Have a wonderful birthday. With love from both of us, Baba and me.
Cheers. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Dearest Chiku Masterji, here's wishing you a very, very happy birthday. And if I had to say a few words about you, I think you are really wonderful and one of the sweetest persons that I know. Your sense of humor is, I think, one of the best qualities about you. You know, you may be quiet most of the times, but the fact that, you can find humor even in the silliest or, the tiniest things of life, I think that's one of the biggest defining qualities about you. You are truly a gem of a person. Love you. Wish you a very, very happy birthday again. And may you have an amazing day, an amazing year, and an amazing life ahead. Wish you good luck, health, and happiness always. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Chacha ji.
Happy birthday. Have a good one. Enjoy yourself.
Hello, Namaste Paisa. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. कितने साल के हो गए हमारे आगे कैटेगरी में बस खुश रहो जहाँ भी हो.
नमस्ते भाई साहब, क्या हाल है? ठीक है, ओके, अभी आ गए हमारी लाइन में अभी. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
बहुत बहुत बधाई हो बस सब फैमिली को Okay, bye.
Celebrate कहाँ कर रहे हो?
Happy birthday, Chiku.
Have a great day.
Enjoy your special day.
Have a nice birthday, Chiku. Have a good one, badminton champion of Hong Kong.
By the way, the idiot Armand says happy birthday to you too.
Happy birthday, Chiku.
Have a very wonderful day today.
Happy birthday, Chiku. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Uncle. Take care.
Happy birthday, Chiku. What a special day for you. And I wish I was in Hong Kong celebrating this great occasion. The memories flow back when we think about you and how you looked after me as a child. So always very grateful for that and all your love you gave us. So have a really happy day and congratulations to all the family.
Hello, Chiku Mama. Wish you a very happy birthday, along with my obedient son Tafi and my obedient husband Bunty.
Hello, Chiku Mama. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Have a good day. Bye.
Miss you.
Happy 65th birthday to our loving Masterji.
To our candid camera Masterji, whose phone needs to be taken away from him. Happy birthday, Masterji. Lots and lots of love always.
Happy birthday, Masterji.
Hope you're having a fun celebration. Sending you lots of love and best wishes from all of us.
By the way, Man City lost 5-2 to Leicester.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, dear brother, young man. So stay healthy, stay young, keep working out, and I will be there soon enough to share a real Char Siu Fan with you. Okay? Take care of yourself. Love you. Bye.
Hi Uncle, wishing you a very happy birthday and many more to come. Hope you enjoy this lovely, wonderful day and many more to come. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday, Chiku. I'm happy to be part of this video they're making for your 65th birthday. I've known you for 50 years and you've always been my little brother, although you're much older than me. And I'm happy that we went through this together. I hope they invite me again in 10 years, every 10 years, so that we do this until at least we're 105. Okay? Have a good night. Enjoy your party. Bye.
दिल चोरी साडा हो गया वे की करिए दिल चोरी साडा हो गया वे की करिए नैनों में किसी के
Happy birthday, Luigi. Chuck the फट्टे